Good day, Mom. My name is Finn Cloyd Villanueva, and this is my video about traditional expressions and performing arts. So, morning of podcast art forms, no, such as dance, music, theater, and oral storytelling, are fundamental in preserving cultural heritage and identity. These art forms reflect the unique values, customs, and history of a community, fostering a deep connection between past and present generations. Through them, individuals express emotions, share stories, and celebrate their cultural practices. For example, ani is ang flamenco from Spain blends passionate dance music and song, while ang Bharatanatyam is from India showcases intricate like footwork, hand gestures, and storytelling through dance. So, story daw nila no sa pamagi sa pagsayaw. Next is gamelan music from Indonesia. Uses traditional instruments like gongs and metalophones to create harmonious sounds that are culturally significant. In addition to dance and music, traditional theater also plays a key role in cultural expression, like Noh theater from Japan, with its slow, meditative movements contrast with the vibrant and dramatic. Next is Kabuki theater. These performances often depict myths, historical tales, and moral lessons. Moreover, traditional storytelling, as seen in the Griot tradition of West Africa, preserves the oral history of communities. Lastly, events like Brazil's Carnival, featuring samba dances and music, are examples of how performing arts celebrate national identity while uniting people in joy and culture. Traditional arts continue to enrich societies, providing both a sense of belonging and a means of communication across generations. And that's all, Mom. Thank you.